Welcome to South Delhi's most coveted address, Vasant Vihar. And today we are giving you the most exclusive video tour of the 610 square yards ready-to-move apartments built by one of the finest builders of South Delhi. Let's begin with a stunning elevation, a seamless blend of contemporary lines and timeless materials. The details in the facade sets a grand tone the moment you arrive. Let's start with the still car parking. Very few parkings in South Delhi have been designed like this. There are clear lines. There are no pillars in between. So we have two floors available, first and second floor, and each floor gets a separate gate for almost 3 car parkings each. It doesn't end here. This builder floor provides you an exclusivity like no other. This exclusive lift lobby is only shared between 2 floors, first and second. So that's another level of luxury. The first thing we notice is this beautifully crafted laser cut main door over here. That's actually like a statement. And when we enter this amazing apartment, we are welcomed by this divine Nandi painting. What could be even better than this? They have given this beautiful niche area over here. It's kind of a mandir space over here. जब आप इस apartment के अंदर enter करते हैं, look at the kind of wider and the long foyer you have. So अगर आप घर में enter करते हैं, so it feels really spacious. And next to the entrance, you also have a very spacious family lounge along with it. There's a balcony. 610 square yards, so almost every room you get a balcony attached with it. In front of the family lounge, we have a very chic style powder washroom designed in a darker theme. It's looking really contemporary, modern, very, very beautiful. Over here, we have the main kitchen of the house. The first thing we notice is this stunning countertop they have created over here. Look at the size of the kitchen. It's really functional, really walkable, very intelligent use of the storage space. So this is new height, new coverage. So आपको जो storage space मिलता है वो बिल्कुल नीचे से लेके ऊपर तक मिलता है. So you have these soft closure drawers over here. So much space to store your kitchen essentials. जितने भी appliances हैं, these are all best in class Siemens appliances. You know that seamlessly blends with the cabinetry. So stunning color selection they have used over here. So एक lighter tone में kitchen का size already बहुत अच्छा है और बड़ा feel हो रहा है. This is the best part. जो आपको ये counter top है, जो आप किसी भी direction में you can stand, you can work. If there are more people working in the kitchen, it's really convenient, really spacious. Daikin cassette BRV aircon has been given over here. There's a balcony also that have been attached over here. So throughout the apartment, you will never run off of natural light and ventilation over here. Now, this is the wet area. All the appliances, all the fittings, jitni bhi use kari, these are super high grade. So we have this inbuilt microwave oven over here. There's a gadget shack area that have been also given over here. That's the space for a really good sized refrigerator. Let's go forward and let's see the main living room. So this is the drawing and dining. Size, absolutely massive, awesome. Very beautifully crafted, very beautifully executed. So आपका ये जो लिविंग रूम का एरिया है वो बिल्कुल एक तरह से सेग्रीगेटेड है. सो आपका जो एयरकॉन की जो इफेक्टिवनेस है दैट वुड बी मोर. दिस अपार्टमेंट कम्स विद ऑल द कस्टम इंटीरियर्स. सो ब्यूटीफुल फीचर वॉल ओवर हियर, इंपोर्टेड लाइट फिक्चर्स ओवर हियर, एंड a masterpiece, a chandelier they have given over here. Another element of this beautiful apartment is that you have a fully retractable door that leads us to this super size, super amazing balcony space. Just look at the kind of expanse, the area you get along with this balcony. So this is the ideal spot for your sundowners, your lazy morning tea, coffee, and located on a very wider road of Vasant Vihar. What you see is greenery all around. So this is one of the beautiful parts of Vasant Vihar. Vasant Vihar, Anand Niketan, West End, these are preferred colonies क्योंकि आपको जिस तरह के wider roads, एक low density area इन areas में मिलता है वो आपको हर जगह नहीं मिलता. वास्तु के point को ध्यान में रखते हुए the builder has given the master bedroom over here. A really good size of master bedroom over here. New height, new coverage. Room already बहुत बड़ा है but हर room और बड़ा feel होता है because of this new coverage. You have this balcony space जो आपके living room के साथ same balcony यहाँ continue हो रही है. Custom interiors. In every room, you get a feature wall with beautiful imported light fixture, wooden paneling. My favorite bathroom of this house, this master bathroom, they have designed in this stunning pastel color white stone, which absolutely adds up luxury to the next level. Jitne bhi fittings hai, these are the best in class fitting. Toto ki sari fittings hai. Look at the kind of big circular looking glass mirror they have given with an inbuilt lighting over here. A very amazing vanity area they have given. So the whole house runs across the theme. अगर आप ये डोर देखेंगे तो इसके अंदर जो ब्रास के हैंडल्स है, so similar inlays आपको जो vanity के अंदर भी you'll be able to see. Another highlight of this bathroom is this self-opening, self-closing WC they have given by the Toto. That's your shower cubicle area. Another interesting element आप देखेंगे कि इस बाथरूम के अंदर कोई क्लोजेट नहीं था, इस बेडरूम में कोई क्लोजेट नहीं है. The reason being the builder has given a fully lockable walk-in closet over here. So two-side closet area मिलता है आपको, his and her separate closets. Let's quickly see the other 3 bedrooms of the house. So we have the second bedroom over here, another good-sized bedroom. So in this bedroom, they have given this segregated wooden space over here, wooden flooring area. Another beautiful element. Every bedroom has some of the other, some feature lights, some feature wall over here. In this bedroom, it doesn't have a balcony, but has a really good size sliding openable window over here. This is how the closet looks from inside. So you have a 3-door closet space. And due to the new height, new coverage, जो आपको storage space मिलता है वो बिल्कुल ऊपर तक मिलता है. Every bathroom you have some of the other different design elements. A very good size bathroom over here. Just look at the way they have done the inlay in the flooring. It is looking really amazing. Again, sari Toto ki super luxury fittings hain. So that's your spacious shower cubicle, a segregated space for the WC. And another highlight, you have absolutely a segregated area, a further additional closet space right inside the bathroom. So apart from the 3-door closet, you get additional closet in the bathroom also. So अभी तक हमने 2 bedrooms cover करे हैं. जो इस apartment का foyer है, that is a beauty in itself. Just see how wider the foyer is. कि मेरे दोनों हाथ भी walls पे नहीं touch कर रहे. So much space, so much openness जब आप इस apartment के अंदर enter करते हैं. So 2 bedrooms हमें यहाँ पे और मिलते हैं right और left के अंदर. Now let's see the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom. Again a super size bedroom. हर wall पे, हर bedroom के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ different feature elements हैं. So यहाँ पे they have done this very beautiful POP work with very unique looking light fixture they have given. Now along with this bedroom, so you have a walk-in closet over here. So in segregated space, a very well done up closet area. In fact, it's an air conditioned area. Now let's quickly see the bathroom along with it. So this is the beauty. Every bathroom they have used a different, a unique stone, super luxury fittings by Toto. Very beautiful looking glass mirror. जो stone की finish है, जो cladding की finish है, वो that is absolutely amazing to the next level. And you have a super size shower cubicle along with it. There's a sitting ledge also, and really good fittings by Toto. Moving forward to the last bedroom, the 4th bedroom. So this is the 4th bedroom we get in this 4 bedrooms builder floor apartment. Every bedroom is good size, good plan. Just space utilization here, that is absolutely to the next level. So there's a rear balcony also, a really spacious one. In fact, आपको जो 7/4 का access मिलता है. So right from the balcony itself, you get access for the 7/4 legal 7/4 है आपके floor area के अंदर से गया हुआ है. Really good size 7/4 with an attached washroom. और जो आपको VRV unit है, जो air con का unit है, वो भी आपकी balcony area में से नहीं गया. So they have created a separate section जहाँ पे उसको place किया हुआ है. Let's quickly see the 4th bathroom that is attached with the 4th bedroom. So right before the bathroom, आपको 2 sides separate his and her closet. So even this is a lockable closet. And this is the luxury bathroom you get. It's a self-opening, self-cleaning, one of the best WC you can get by Toto. In fact, it is also remote operated, so they've given the remote over here. Very beautiful selection of the Italian stone over here. So एक बड़ा lightish, grayish, beigeish color का है. It's looking really amazing. हर बाथरूम में आपको जो स्टोन मिलता है वो डिफरेंट सिलेक्शन है. उसी को मैच करते हुए, इंटीरियर को मैच करते हुए जो वेनिटी है, that is also absolutely customized. Good looking glass mirror over here. Now, जो shower cubicle आपको मिलता है, so they have given a full body jet system. So Toto का ही यूज करते हुए जो सबसे प्रीमियम बॉडी जेट सिस्टम पॉसिबल है, they have installed that. They've also given a sitting ledge along with it. So I hope you've enjoyed this property video tour by Team South Delhi Floors. इसकी तरह का दूसरा अपार्टमेंट पूरे वसंत विहार में अवेलेबल नहीं है, बिकॉज यू नो देयर इज नो अदर 600 स्क्वायर यार्ड प्रॉपर्टी जो रेडी टू मूव हो, जो अवेलेबल हो. वी हैव 2 floors available in this, first floor and second floors. And just to brush up the information we have already shared, so दोनों फ्लोर के साथ में आपको सेपरेट ड्राइवे मिलता है, 3 गाड़ी की पार्किंग मिलती है. You also get a private lift lobby that is only shared between the first and the second floor. So you know what could be more luxurious than this? So do let us know in your comments कि आपको ये अपार्टमेंट कैसा लगा, or if you have any questions about the pricing or about any of the feature, definitely you can let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. और अगर आपको और आपके फ्रेंड्स को इस तरह का अपार्टमेंट यू नो दे वांट टू परचेज और दे लाइक, डू शेयर दिस वीडियो टू देम. एंड आई होप आपने साउथ दिल्ली फ्लोर्स को अभी तक तो सब्सक्राइब कर लिया होगा, बिकॉज यू नो वी ट्राई रियली हार्ड टू शोकेस बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट रियल एस्टेट ऑल ओवर साउथ दिल्ली. So call us on the given number. We'll meet you. We'll show you this amazing apartment. Thank you. Till next time.